Hi, today I'm reviewing the Hanskin Hyaluronic Essence. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So this is a product I've been using off and on for quite some time. I actually picked it up from FabFitFun for quite a deal now that I look at the price. Anyway, so the Real Complexion Skin Essence is Hanskin's essence, which is a multi-use, high-volume essence with a moisturizing effect that works to boost hydration levels for all skin types. It is a toner, essence, and moisturizing lotion all in one. In my box says 5 in 1. So I wonder what the other two things are. Anyway, so I will say that this being my first product from Hanskin I'd ever tried, when I started it, I thought for sure they're going to be like super skin friendly because this one doesn't have a lot of things that can irritate skin. And then when I looked at some of their other products, they're all over the board. So this is probably the most skin friendly product from them of all. Okay, on to my first criteria is just packaging and plastic bottle, which is clear. So I do recommend just storing it in a cabinet when you're not using it, just so the light doesn't get through the bottle and damage some of the antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in here. But overall, it's pretty good packaging, and I like that the top prevents you from pouring out a whole ton. So overall, the packaging is simple but effective. There is no denatured alcohol in this at all, so that's a good thing. And there is also no fragrance and no noticeable scent. In terms of the manufacturing location, this one is made in Korea, so no issues with that. And ease of use, so you can use it depending on, if you have dry skin or oily skin or what your skincare routine is. You can use it as an essence and just pat it on your skin. Or you can use it as a toner, like a traditional toner, and you can apply it to a cotton pad and then smooth it over your skin. So let me do a quick pH test of this one. And it's got kind of a medium viscosity, so if you do decide to use this as an essence and pat it onto skin, it's not like super watery where the water's going to make a big mess. It has a medium viscosity, so it works well any of those ways. And the pH looks to be 5 exactly. Right on the dot, it's 5. There you go. 5 exactly. Can you see it? Yes, you can. So either way you try and use it, works just fine. And anything you apply, like if you use it as an essence, you have no problem applying serums afterwards. It soaks in pretty quickly. I'd give it a few seconds to absorb, and then after that you can apply your serums and everything else, and no issues at all with that. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, we've got a pretty decent list, which is almost every ingredient on here. There's a couple ingredients that are just slip ingredients. So we've got linseed extract, hydrolyzed collagen. Then we've got Gynostemma Pentaphyllum, which is a good antioxidant and also has astringent properties, so it kind of prevents a lot of oil production or too much of it. Then we've got Zostera Marina extract, which is a good antioxidant and antimicrobial ingredient. We've got sodium hyaluronate. Then we've got hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Saccharide Isomerate, which is a good humectant. Hydrolyzed Algin, which is a type of algae, which has some good antioxidant and also good at protecting skin. So the ingredient list is pretty much almost, I would say, half of what's in the product. There's just a couple slip ingredients up front, which is normal for a toner or essence like this. In my opinion, they've done a nice job including a good array of beneficial ingredients, some very good skin protecting ingredients, and a lot of good ingredients that will help your skin with moisture and moisture loss. They did a very good job on that. My 7th criteria is animal testing, and Hanskin is cruelty-free, so that's always good to see. Performance. This does a great job of giving my skin hydration, a good boost of moisture. I love that you can use this several different ways as a toner or an essence. So if you travel a lot, you could use this for a toner and an essence. And if you have very oily skin, you might be able to get by without using any serums and just use this for a simple routine if you're on the road or traveling or something like that. Very gentle on skin, great for fungal acne and acne-prone skin. Only one ingredient to be aware of for acne-prone skin, which is butylene glycol, which is in so many things anyway. So it's very good to see a product that has so little acnegenic ingredients, because so many of them I'll read and it's like boom, boom, boom. There's like a whole sentence full of them. With this one, you don't need to be as concerned. The price, so I got this from FabFitFun. I think I got it for like $9, which I didn't realize how good of a deal that was back then. This size is 10.14 ounces, and it retails like on SocoGlam for $46. I had no idea how good of a deal I was getting. They also have a smaller size, which is 5.5 ounces, and that one retails for $25. Might be a good place to start if you're not sure if you're going to love it or not. But overall, I'm really been quite happy with this. And then in terms of the it factor, love it, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, well-formulated, great for acne-prone skin, and rather affordable, good pH. Overall, it's a pretty good product, and I can't believe I haven't reviewed this one yet either. So I'm glad I've had a chance to get to it, because this one is a winner in my opinion. So, on the Sarah score scale, this one gets a 10 out of 10, which doesn't happen very often, maybe once a month. And I'm thinking I should do a versus of this one and the Klairs Supple Preparation Toner Unscented. That would be interesting to see. So if you want to see that, leave a comment. Or if there's anything else you want me to compare this to, let me know. Or if you've tried it and have thoughts on it, also leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more. I have my awards ceremony coming up on Friday the 13th. So check that out as well. And I will see you tomorrow.